Hello students, I am Dr. Prince Kumar, Department of Chemistry, Government College, Salanpur. Today we will study about the carbohydrates. In this topic, we discuss various subtopics, that is the definition of carbohydrates and various structure that related to the carbohydrates, like that of glucose, fructose, maltose, lactose, sucrose, etc. And in this case, we also study the structure and their various physical property and their classification on carbohydrates. First, we discuss the just definition of carbohydrates. In this case, the word meaning of carbohydrates, that is the carbon and hydrogen and OH group. This is the carbohydrates. The modern definition of carbohydrate is that it is an optically active polyhydroxyaldehyde or polyhydroxy ketone. Polyhydroxyaldehyde or polyhydroxy ketones. This is the modern definition of carbohydrates, and the basic formula of carbohydrates is CxH2OY. The value of X and Y may or may not be same, and also all the value that fit in this formula may not be carbohydrates. For example, if we put the value of X and Y is 6, then the formula is C6H2O6, and this is C6H12O6. This is the formula of glucose and fructose, and this is the carbohydrate. But if we take just CH3COOH, this is the acetic acid, but it is not carbohydrates. This is carbohydrates, it is not carbohydrates. However, the value of X and Y is 2 and 3. CH3COOH. This is not carbohydrate, but this is carbohydrates. So this is the basic formula of carbohydrates. Now we discuss the classification of carbohydrates, or we can say that type of carbohydrates. There are three types, that is the classification or types of carbohydrates. There are three types. First one is monosaccharide, second is oligosaccharide, and third one is polysaccharide. These are the three classification, that is the monosaccharide, oligosaccharide and polysaccharide. First of all, we define just the definition of monosaccharide, oligosaccharide and polysaccharide. The monosaccharide, its word meaning is mono. Mono means only and only one monosaccharide, only one molecule of carbohydrates. And oligosaccharide means more than one, means 2 to 10 molecule of simple monosaccharide. 2 to 10. This is the definition. 2 to 10 molecule of monosaccharide. And in polysaccharide, poly means more and more. Poly means more and more. When more than 10 molecule of monosaccharide combines on hydrolysis gives, this is the monopolysaccharide. More and more. More and more monosaccharide. These are the definitions. It means no simpler units. It means only and one molecule of monosaccharide. And first example is, the example of this is like that of glucose, fructose. Example of oligosaccharide. Oligosaccharide can also be disaccharide since it contains two monosaccharide unit. And example is sucrose, maltose, lactose. These are the basic example of oligosaccharide. And last is polysaccharide. The example of polysaccharide is starch, fiber. This is the example of starch, fiber is the example of polysaccharide. So this is the types of carbohydrates. Generally the carbohydrates divided in three categories. First one is a monosaccharide or oligosaccharide and polysaccharide. Oligosaccharide can also be known as disaccharide, and this is polysaccharide. In our syllabus there are the three examples: sucrose, maltose, lactose, and these are the two examples: glucose, fructose, and these also the two examples: starch and fiber. Now we discuss the individual structure and physical property of every example of the monosaccharide, oligosaccharide, and polysaccharide. First we discuss the structure of glucose. Glucose structure. As we know, the general formula of glucose is C6H12O6. C6H12O6, and it form from the carbohydrates CXH2OY. If we put X and Y is C, X and Y is 6, then this formula is this. And this is the formula of glucose. Now we plot the structure. As we know, the carbohydrates, if we plot the every structure of carbohydrate, that is the glucose, fructose, maltose, lactose, etc., then this structure is divided in three categories. First is straight chain structure. Now we discuss here the subtopic, that is the structure classification, straight chain. Straight chain structure, hemiacetal structure, and last is Haworth structure. Straight chain means it is in the long straight chain, long lengthening of chain. Hemiacetal means in the form of ring, and this is Haworth structure, that is the Pilani-Kisher formula. These three are the straight chain, hemiacetal, and Haworth structure. Now we discuss these three structure. First of all, glucose as straight chain structure. What is straight chain? It is 6 carbon, and one is here that the functional group. Functional group is aldehyde, that is CHO group. This is the fourth structure, and second is there are 6 carbon. Now the structure is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and last one is 6. One is aldehyde group, so this is C double bond O CH. This is the first number carbon, and in this present the functional group, that is the CHO group. And here 2, 3. In 3, carbon number 3, OH is left hand side. Here is H. Here is H, OH, 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 CH2OH. This is the formula of glucose, and this is the straight chain formula. Now we plot from this formula Haworth structure or ring type structure. So the glucose structure is like that of pyranose, like that of pyranose. Since it has 6-membered ring, and the structure is like that of pyranose. Now we plot the structure like that. This here is the vertical lines that show the carbon and hydrogen and oxygen. So this is the carbon number first, second, third, fourth, and here is fifth, and here is sixth carbon. So in case of from this diagram, carbon number 3 OH is left hand side. So in this case OH is here above the plane. H, here is OH, H, OH, H, and here is OH, H, here is CH2, OH, H. This is here. So this is 6 number carbon. So this is the Haworth structure, or we can say that the ring structure of glucose. And here is the first carbon. And this carbon is also known as anomeric carbon. Anomeric carbon. Since here the functional group are present, so it is known as anomeric carbon. If the OH group is below, then what is it known as? And if the OH group is above the plane, if OH group is below on that carbon, then it is alpha carbon. This is the two form, that is alpha and beta form. Alpha form and beta form. This is the alpha D-glucose, and this structure name is D-glucose. This is the D-glucose. D plus glucose. This is also D-glucose, and this is alpha D-glucose. Since the OH group is here below the ring, if we plot beta structure, then OH group is above the plane, above the carbon, this type, above the ring. So it is beta carbon. This is alpha, and if we plot beta, then OH is here and H is below the ring. So this is the anomeric carbon, alpha and beta form. These two are the anomeric form. And anomeric means when the position of hydrogen or hydroxy group, OH group, is changed at only one carbon, then it is known as anomeric carbon. So this is the structure of glucose, this is the straight chain structure, and this is the Haworth structure, or we can say that ring type structure. Now we discuss the structure of fructose. Fructose structure. As we know, the basic formula of fructose is like that of glucose, that is C6H12O6. And this structure has also 6 carbon. Here the functional group is ketonic group or ketone. So it is also known as hexose, aldose, or fructose. It is also known as fructose. And the ketonic group are present at carbon number 2. Carbon number 2. If we plot the structure of fructose, then first we plot the straight chain structure. Straight chain structure. So straight chain structure is this CH2OH, and at carbon number 2, the functional group is ketonic group. 3, 4, 5, and last is 6. This is CH2OH, CH2OH. And here is carbon number 1, 2, 3. And at carbon number 3, OH is left hand side. Here is H. And here is H, OH, H, OH. This is the structure of fructose. From this structure, if we plot a ring type structure, then this structure is like that of furan. Since it is 5-membered ring type structure and like that of this, this is the vertically representation of carbon, hydrogen and hydroxy group. Here is carbon number 1, here is 1, 2, 3. And here this is CH2OH, first 1, 2 and 3, and in 3 position OH is left hand side. So here is OH group and H, and here is OH, H, here is CH2OH, OH and H. This is carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is the formula of fructose formula. So this is the like that of furanose structure, and this is ring type structure. Now we discuss, this is the monosaccharide part. In next lecture we discuss about the disaccharide. In disaccharide we discuss the structure of sucrose, maltose and lactose. Disaccharide means, generally first we discuss here what is disaccharide. Disaccharide is the part of oligosaccharide, and in oligosaccharide the carbon range is carbon number 2 to carbon number 10. Means when two monosaccharides are combined to form a single structure, then it is oligosaccharide or disaccharide. And if we discuss the structure of sucrose, then sucrose, what is sucrose? Sucrose is contained as alpha D glucose or beta D fructose. When these two structures are mixed, and in this case if water is removed from these two structures, then the linkage with oxygen, that is known as glycosidic linkage, and structure formed is known as sucrose structure. Also maltose is two combination of two simpler alpha D glucose, and here is also water removed, and glycosidic linkage is known as maltose. And like that of lactose, in lactose we discuss the new structure, that is the galactose, glucose and galactose. And here in case of sucrose, there the linkage is 1,2 linkage, and in maltose and lactose the linkage is 1,4 linkage. And this all structure of disaccharide and polysaccharide we discuss in next lecture. Today we will discuss about the monosaccharide, and in monosaccharide we generally discuss the structure of glucose and fructose, and also we discuss the various definitions of carbohydrates and their various physical property. Thanks a lot.